The Anthropic Partner Academy is a learning resource from Anthropic via Skilljar that allows you to actually learn everything you need to know to actually bring Claude to customers. So it teaches you a wide variety of things like persona-based learning paths, product training, and hands-on resources for partners. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, we have the Anthropic certifications, which you can dive into here and start learning. Now, of course, this isn't a specific tool, but I've actually, I saw that you guys also provided good feedback whenever I also share a lot of learning resources as well. So I wanted to do that today. And of course, the Anthropic Claude Certified Foundation certification and even the professional ones are, pretty much one of the hottest qualifications and certifications in AI right now. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. One that I'm actually also going through as well. So I wanted to share this with you all as a resource you could link into so you can actually improve your skills with Claude learning directly